Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Republican hopes of taking control of the Usenet in November cold, hanging on former football star Hes Walker, a first-time candidate endorsed by Donald Trump, whose campaign appears to be launched behind other Republicans in Georgia. A support legend. The 20-year-old Walker scored the Republican nomination to run for the Senate for the state in May. Seeing a five contestant, Republicans hope his popularity and name recognition would translate into victory in what is likely to be a close race. But he has been trailing Democratic Senator Paul Warnock in most opinion polls. Have campaign, record by repeated. Police gave us an string on contrast about his past, including allegations of domestic violence. Walker is one of handful of Trump-endorsed first-time Republican Senate candidates, also including TV personality Mehmet in punishment in other. Fans in how who even senior Republicans say are rigging on the party change over corrupting Senate control. Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell, without naming individuals, has cited candidate quality as a reason why Republicans might struggle to chapter the Senate, parting its parties as winning a Senate majority at 20. Analysts say Walker has made himself an easy target for political attacks with disjointed comments and issues from COVID-19 to climate. For instance, he attacked the recently passed billion climate and drug bill on Sunday, saying a lot of the money going to stress, and asking, according to the Atlanta, don't we have no trust around here? Every time he opens has mouth about a police issue, it sounds like a word salad. It's very convoluted and doesn't make sense sometimes, said Trey Hood, a political science professor at the University of Georgia. The Republican Accountability Political Action Committee, run by anti-Trump Republicans, has tried to put domestic violence allegations front and center in the campaign. It relies 3 seconds and in which Walker explained to Cindy the end. Grossman say he held the gun to my template and said he was gone blow and bounced out. Walker responded with he wants a video, saying Grossman's comments were taken off the content, but that the was glad they did this ad because it gives me an opportunity to end the stigma around mental health. The Walker campaign and local Republican Party leaders say the former sport star has been the target of unfair news coverage, insisting that his interaction with Ford's at campaign event have been overwhelmingly successful. The whole situation is quite alarming to me because Herschel Walker is an extremely intelligent man who has a full grasp of the issues, said Solange, who covers the Republican Party in Cobb County just outside Atlanta. With the Senate currently split 99, Republicans need only a net one seat again to take the majority. Georgia was Republican territory until Biden won the state by a margin 2022, and Warnock and fellow Democratic Senator John of two Republicans in close in opinion polls suggest the gap between Walker and Warnock is very narrow, and some have had Walker ahead, but this conflict popular in surveys than other Georgia Republicans. Popular in survey than other Georgia Republicans, including Governor Brian Kemp, who has frequently this year. That analysis said suggested that some Republican voters who cast ballots for Kemp could just often not to vote for a Senate candidate, Archbishop Warnock instead. Warnock was well known in the state before he was elected to the Senate as senior pastor of Atlantis as Bazaar Parch. Wearsland Clearfield, Reich leader Martin Luther King of Prague, Christian. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.